Eat macaroni with ragu. Dosa is a town of oil industry. Enter Dosa. I filled up all bottles with water using this drinking water machine. The price is 1/10 of the bottled water. I bought food and drinks for $11. I'll leave this town and go into Caspian Depression again. On the left is railway, and on the right is the eagle statues. Eat waffle. Here's a very small train station. It started raining, but nowhere to hide. I'll have a rest in the pavilion. If the counter wind and the rain continues, I will set up my camp in the abandoned room. Here's an empty room. Have Mexican flavored fish can. Have macaroni with okra flavored salad.